Google has recognized a basic security blemish with Chrome that has been taken advantage of in nature. The tech major has now carried out a security update for something very similar and urges Chrome clients to refresh their program to it at the earliest. Google has affirmed a basic security hazard with Chrome and has cautioned clients to refresh their internet browser to the most recent variant. The security escape clause has been checked basic since it was observed to be under dynamic abuse by programmers before Google could carry out the fix. Google has recognized the weakness in another blog entry that brings the Chrome update to relieve it. Named CVE 2021-37973, the security slip-by influences Chrome clients on Linux, macOS just as Windows, as indicated in the blog. As an assurance against the double dealing of this danger, Google is presently carrying out the Chrome 9.4.0.4606.61 stable channel to Windows, Mac and Linux. The security hazard has been set apart as a zero-day weakness. This implies that it was under dynamic assault by programmers before Google could discover and fix it through the update. Google affirmed this in the blog, referencing that an adventure for CVE 2021-37973 exists in the wild. Such kinds of safety imperfections are considerably more risky than normal security escape clauses, as the programmers have an early advantage over the security scientists and may have as of now took advantage of it for a huge scope. Google has not yet uncovered additional subtleties on the security blemish, so the danger entertainers who are unconscious of its reality may not take advantage of it any further. More subtleties will arise once Google feels that a greater amount of its Chrome client base has moved up to the most recent rendition and that the blemish can't influence clients any further. In its blog, Google specifies it to be a use-after-free weakness. Such security escape clauses emerge from the mistaken utilization of dynamic memory during program activity. A note by Kaspersky clarifies that in the wake of liberating a memory area, if a program doesn't clear the pointer to that memory, an aggressor can utilize the blunder to hack the program. Google cautions that all Chrome clients ought to apply the new security fix to the weakness by refreshing their Chrome programs. Clients can explore to settings >help about Google Chrome to really take a look at their current form of Chrome. On the off chance that the Chrome variant is 9.4.0.4606.61 or higher, the security fix is set up and working. Anything beneath that implies the program is yet to be refreshed to apply the fix.